Hi everyone, I'm Aaron Sampson, and welcome to the Windows Server Administration Concepts Maintenance course. Initial installation of your servers is only the beginning. Improperly maintained servers can reduce the productivity of your operations, introduce security vulnerabilities, and increase the overhead on your resources. This course will teach you the skills necessary to maintain the health and reliability of your servers and to ensure they continue to operate during and after a disaster. Some of the topics we'll examine include how to formulate a troubleshooting methodology to better handle problems when they arise, identifying the key steps in the startup process to be able to address issues with system boot failures or freezes, maintaining business continuity by formulating and implementing a disaster recovery plan, and understanding the Windows servicing and update management processes to keep your systems as current as possible. After completing this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge required to maintain a stable and reliable Windows Server 2019 implementation. Before taking this course, I recommend that you have a practical understanding of server and networking fundamentals, including client-server networks, the core services of the Microsoft Windows Server operating system, as well as a practical understanding of Windows updates, basic troubleshooting techniques, and the importance of being able to recover from a disaster. I hope you'll join me in this Windows Server Administration Concepts Maintenance course here at Pluralsight.